Motorola, under the ownership of Lenovo, may be launching a Mod Moto 5G that adds an unsightly antenna edge to the back of the phone, as discovered by XDA developers. Motorola has a new leading device, so Moto Z3 Play seems to be on track with the right specs for an Oreo Android 8.1 mid-range phone. Some of the filtered specifications included a Snapdragon 636 processor with 4 GB of RAM, a 3000 mAh battery, 6-inch FHD Plus AMOLED 18:9 screen, 2 cameras on the back and a microSD card holder with built-in storage options. 32 GB or 64 GB. As a reference, Moto Mods are not a new development for Motorola phones, but have existed for 3 generations of devices, but have not really had a niche success with Moto phone users. However, a 5G mod may be enough to convince a few, and Motorola has mocked it before. For Mod 5G Moto to work, you will need a network that supports it. In today's telecommunications market, 5G is not even available in most areas if there is one, so even if the mod goes on sale, it's hard to tell if it really will increase the speed of your device's connection, depending on where you are traveling.